Let me tell you something. You don't need a pair of shears this big to feel like a professional tailor. This will do. This is about 4 inches, 8 centimeters perhaps, and I will be using this on all types of fabrics, shoulder pads and trimmings. It's a very powerful pair of shears. It's made in Japan and it's not this big and it doesn't take a lot of space. I do, however, have separate shears for paper because obviously when I'm pattern cutting, I don't want to be using my fabric shears because it will blunten the edges, and it's generally not a good idea to sharpen your shears often if it's not necessary. So I try to keep away from that. Then we have a peculiar looking pair of shears here, which is actually for rug making to level out the knots on the rug, but I use this for cutting down my shoulder pad once the sleeve is secured around the armhole on a finished jacket. It has a very good grip and it's extremely sharp. Then there is a gardening scissor here for the miters of a pocket, a smaller scissor for just cutting thread if I'm sitting somewhere and I'm padding. If I have a pocket on my shirt, I will have this in my pocket, or I will bring it to the sewing machine and have it there. And last but not least, I have a longer scissor which has a bent end and round tips. Now this is fantastic for mark stitching because the round tip reduces the risk for cutting into the fabric, and the curve allows me to have access to the thread without having to open those layers too far apart. So having said that, let's look at our marking tools.